What's up, guys? So today we're pulling Beans' fucking motor out. What do you have to say about that?
I don't know, bud. Pretty pumped.
Yeah?
You know what? I have some really rare JDM cream cheese wontons. By the way, Phillipsburg, Pennsylvania, main lawn. Don't sleep on it. You want some Young Guy cream? We got Young Guy cream. But anyways.
So with Beans' WRX, he just happened to stumble upon a great deal that one of our older friends had. A motor and a ton of other stuff just laying around.
Pretty much I bought 2 cars.
Oh yeah, 2 shells.
I have 2 shells now. A wide body kit, well, we use it. I don't know, my name's not TJ Hunt, but we'll see what happens. What else do I get? 2 shells, all just random stuff I've needed. I have a full set of interior. I'll have this engine for sale, so if you need interior, you need an engine, I got you. It runs perfectly fine, but it's time to upgrade. And we actually have the JDM engine over here, so if you want to follow me real quick. Here it is. There it is.
This is the fuel that we're going to use. Just premium fried rice.
Fried rice premium. Yeah, some young guy cream too as well. Very good, excellent. Made you look burnt.
But that's what we got going on today. We're going to pull this motor.
And
I've never pulled one. Have you pulled one?
We're gonna be running bean oil, if you know what I mean.
Yes. But that's what's going on. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? So with Beans' motor removal, what we got so far right now is the intake manifold is finally off. That sucks ass. Like, I hate working on Subarus now. But
what? I just can't believe how small the stock turbo is.
Look at this guy. Like, this is like an economy turbo, dude. That thing's like 3 millimeters. That compressor housing is like.
I feel like a WRX, dude. Chevy Cruise level, like seriously, dude.
They are tiny.
It's retarded.
But this is our stopping point for today. The intake manifold. We didn't think it was going to be this much of a pain in the ass, but it was. And
it is our first time, so I mean.
True, first time for everything.
We can do, really, I mean.
But I think what's next, I believe, we can dismount the trans, and then, well, all the exhaust shit, all the exhaust stuff, down pipe, up pipe, side pipe, right pipe, whatever the hell. And then your trans, and should be motor mounts, and should be able to drop. I don't know.
Who knows?
We'll figure it out.
We're getting there.
We'll get it.
Slowly, but we'll get there. We got time.
Hell yeah.
No rush. We're gonna do it right.